How to change date and time on Android. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to it, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open settings. Once you open settings, you have to scroll down, and here I find the system option where there is the time and backup written. So time is written. So I'll click on the system. Then I have to scroll down and I'll find a date and time option. Click on that, and here everything is set up automatically. But if I want to set up my own date, I have to turn the automatic thing off. I can click on date, and that's how I set up my date. And same goes for time. If I want to set it up manually, I can just turn it wherever I want, and it automatically gets set up manually. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.